Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback. And I'm not sure if this was a tribute or an actual race car, but it's done up as a BFX racer in the BFX class and does have a fuel shutoff on the back there and a full roll cage in it. So I'm not sure if it looks like somebody's doing some racing in it. I'm sure it's not a period correct one, but wasn't one from back in the day, but it looks like it means business now. It's got the raised hood on it, and I'm not sure if that's a 289 or a 427 in there, but it definitely looks the part, that's for sure. And was a good looking car. Somebody definitely put a lot of money into it to get it looking like it is. And it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it was among all the other cars there. But it was definitely a looker, that's for sure. And it does have a 4-speed and racing seatbelts in it. So somebody was either doing some drag racing in it or getting ready to, or just out showing off, showing that it means business. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback BFX race car that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.